IC Group of Institution Bangalore College Wabhatam Nibata Ipure Nursing wa Paramedical Course Hospital Training Tao York Scholarship Features 5% Ikre Haki Hospital Wahedo India Wachabari Isu Man Ukian Yepi Upure Daka Education Loan Yeheropi Upon How New Number Kende Nyao Nyao Soso San Runru Pranot Ne Kende Pran Ru Lesan Art Ruibi Kende Pran
Group, it indicates that there is something goodwill among all of us. That's why we all have gathered over here, and that goodwill can only be further strengthened if we keep on communicating, if we keep on talking with each other every now and then. Because communication is the only thing which can solve any problem. Communication is the only key. Okay. So now, sir, want to say something?
I'll say a bit. Yeah.
Okay, so now from now you just introduce yourself one by one, and after that we will start our discussion. But yes, as the sir has already told, that our main focus will be on peace. Okay, how to maintain peace, how the normalcy can be determined.
So what our target today is we will have peace talk, and whatever talk we will talk again about that peace between communities. We will not be quarrel anymore in future. That is our. It's not the issue of the official. This is the issue of both the government of Assam and the government of Meghalaya. So I request what subjects we have to talk today is for the peace talk only. That is a request from my side. So I just talk to the Pnar.
It should increase henceforth. So that is the most important thing that we are here for. We do have some other issues like border issues and all. So that should be left aside. It should be discussed. I mean, it should be left to the higher authorities. That is at the state level. So we should all take this opportunity. This is one of the opportunities that we have today. That like we should look forward to, so that we have a fruitful meeting out from here. So, and most important thing that both communities, we should be able to come to a resolution, and that resolution, it should direct towards having peace and upkeep of peace and tranquility in the area, so that the people-to-people exchange can continue. So that's all from my end.
IC Group of Institution Bangalore College Wabhatam Nibata Ipure Nursing wa Paramedical Course Hospital Training Tao York Scholarship Features 5% Ikre Haki Hospital Wahedo India Wachabari Isu Man Ukian Yepi Upure Daka Education Loan Yeheropi Upon How New Number Kende Nyao Nyao Soso San Runru Pranot Ne Kende Pran Ru Lesan Art Ruibi Kende Pran
From both sides, Meghalaya and Assam, represent from this border area, Khanduli border area. We have discussed thoroughly, right from the beginning. We are living together in this area peacefully, without any problem, like our brothers and sisters. But we believe this will continue as usual to maintain peace and harmony in our area. But the outcome of today's meeting, we have decided to wait the official letter from the Karbi Autonomous Council to remove this tax gate. As well, we have decided also to meet our MDC, member of district council, to communicate as early as possible for the betterment of the people living in this area. That will tell our people also to move freely till that moment, that both the council, they will agree and assure us a official letter to remove that tax gate. Ngidon ka meeting jong ki R community, Karbi and Pnar community. Hagani ka Snong Khanduli. Bat ngi penpau ka jing kemen ba na ka R magistrate West Karbi anglong bat West Jantil district kele don lang na ka banta kane ka jing ya kren ya ka jing ya chongsuk chongsan. Habya day bat kane ka meeting jongi hakabat khadu ngelasim ka we karai. Kane karai kalong ba hadu ba nagaliang ka Karbi anglong autonomous council kin sa ayang ka official assurance letter na kabanta ba ki la remove ya ka tax gates hangde ha Khanduli. Bat ngin sia kendu ha ka next meeting. Bat ngila rairu ba nagaliang jongi kum ki baswang basa ha ka tan Khanduli area ngin sia kendu ya ki MDC jongi na kabanta ban pressurize nagaliang ka board council ban ya kren bat ki board jonga Karbi anglong council ban weng keloi ya kene ka tax gate kenang ba ka chongsuk chongsan ka let ka wan ka rep ka riang kan long kumba chu long kane de ka khubor na ka banta kinong chongsnong jong ka rilum jong tia chungi barok away blessable
peace meet dulu both side Pnar korti tumpe na pen puni tum Karbi itu asda Khanduli region lo dolo kasi pinini tum minang na homoy dingpen chingki chingwai pon lo stame isi la riponu na dalam lo yo tarmane la da Karbi anglong termos council pen sapu la tek gate alam mas